Hi everyone. I'm sharing few questions which I could remember from the English paper of UGC NET, which happened on the 1st of October 2020, and I'm sharing the questions from the first shift. So the first question, which is, it they asked that which events are covered in Samuel Pepper's diary, and they had listed the events. We had to select two events. Then they had given few authors like Geoffrey Chaucer, William Langland, Alexander Pope, Dryden, and we had to arrange them as per their birth year. Then there were few novels with initials, or the novels were like that only, like J, N, and P, like this, and we had to match them with the names of their authors. Then they asked the theme of The Way of the World. Then there was this play of Harold Pinter, The Birthday Party. They asked us to name the play, which the game which they were playing in this play. Then there were novels of D.H. Lawrence, and we had to arrange them in chronology as they had appeared. Then there were some contemporary writers given and their books, and we had to match them. Then there was this matching exercise in which they had given four words. I could remember one word, that is beetle, and we had to match it with the language from where it is taken. And the languages, I think, were Tamil, Malayalam, and Urdu, and one more word was there. Then there was one question on language and parole, lang and parole. Then there was one question where there were like five sentences on deconstruction and construction and structuralism, and we had to select the statements which clearly tell us about deconstruction. Then there was a passage from King Lear, and there were like three or four questions basis the passage. They were very easy. Then there were writers of feminist criticism, and we had to pick up the correct writers who belong to this feminist criticism. Then there were few works which were given, and we had to choose the works which belonged to feminist criticism. One of them was Yellow Wallpaper. Then there was this question from Waiting for Godot. In this, there was one dialogue given, and we had to choose which character spoke these words. Then there's this question, who coined the term globalization? The next question had this Emily practice book, and we had to choose the correct format out of the four given. Then source of Duchess of Malfi. There are two rivers mentioned in To His Coy Mistress, so we had to select the correct rivers, names of rivers. Then they asked a question about paralanguage. They had given four statements, and we had to choose two correct statements. Then there's this question on structural ambiguity. There was a statement given, and then we had to read the statement and then choose from options of four two correct statements, and all the four statements related to structural ambiguity. Then there's this question in which we had to arrange the periodicals. Rambler, Guardian, and two more were there according to their chronology. Then there was few terms given from criticism and literary criticism, and we had to choose the person who deals with these two terms. So I think Noam Chomsky was the answer of that. Then two questions dealt with Pierre Bourdieu, and I don't remember the questions, but this name appeared two times. Then we had to choose the metaphysical poets from four options. Then there was a passage, but I don't know from where the passage was given, but the passage was easy. I mean, we could attempt it very easily. Then William Hazlitt has mentioned about two authors in his works. So who are the two authors that we had to choose? Then in Paradise Lost, Adam and Eve fight in a particular book. So we had to choose that. Then there were few more questions on arrangement of plays as per the chronology. Then there was a question in which it was asked, what are the three types of poetries which Philip Sidney talks about, and we had to choose from them. Then Plato also wrote something on imitation, which poetry does. So we had to choose the correct statement on it. There are few more, two more. There were female authors given and for criticism, and we had to arrange them in chronology. And there was one statement about blank verse given, and we need to choose the person who believes in that line. So that's all. These are like 40 questions, and I just thought I'll share them with you. Few people had also asked about it, so I could remember only these 40. So have a good day. Bye bye.